Right, dito tayo sa Visayat with friends. Birthday. Wow. Check natin ang kaganda.
You have arrived.
Oh, nice place. May pa swimming pool. Nice, may pa swimming pool. Nice. Oh, yun na. It's Visayat. Okay, no.
Traveling mercy saka
Kailangan ko mag-search. Ay, sarap. Visayat Hotel Restaurant, yes. Yummy. Thank you. Nice, may po swimming pool. Ganda. Nice. Finish eating here in Visayat Hotel. At the fountain. Diba? Nice. Sorry, soyo. Alright, finish na ating dinner. Yeah, wow. So guys, yan na, pauwi na tayo. Nayatin na natin ang ating mga friends. So thank you kay Kuya Marlo. And belated happy birthday. And kay keep safe sa flight. Ingat ka, see you soon. Thank you for the dinner. And so, yan na nga guys, pauwi na tayo. Time check is almost 10 p.m. It's already 9:30. And we are here in Abu Hadriya Road. Alright, let's go! La 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 la. Right, we are now in the Ma'am Jubail Highway. Ganda ng building na to. Futuristic, no? Di ba? Futuristic siya. May mga ano pa rito. Good, congrats. Good and congrats. Lang tayo guys. Hindi pa tayo nagmamadali. Right? Just drinking and relaxing. Bye! So guys, we're home. And ito si Tebu. Kumain na po. Kumain na. Sorry. Kumain na siya guys. Actually, may ako siya ng chicken. Okay? Yes, chicken. Gutom pa. Pakain na natin guys now. Lechong chicken. Binili ko para sa kanya talaga. Kaya lang, kailangan natin hugasan dahil meron siyang seasoning na medyo maanghang, which is not good para kay Potek. Alright, yun na guys, nasa bahay na tayo and thank you for the dinner again. So now, good night, see you tomorrow. Good night, bye. Good night. Good night. Kumain na. Okay, bye, good night. Bye na, te. Bye, good night, bye. Ano ba yan? Okay, bye na, good night. Good night, bye.